Is your UK business struggling to fill skilled roles locally? To hire international talent in 2026, your company must hold a UK sponsor license. Welcome to the Conroy Baker channel. Today, we break down exactly how to apply for your license and avoid a costly Home Office refusal. To be eligible, you must be a genuine organisation operating legally in the UK. You must have no unspent criminal convictions for immigration offences, and you must prove you are offering genuine employment that meets the required skill and salary thresholds for the skilled worker route. When applying via the online portal, you must submit specific mandatory documents listed in Appendix A of the sponsor guidance. Usually, this means providing at least 4 pieces of evidence, such as your latest corporate bank statements, employer's liability insurance, and proof of HMRC PAY registration. The Home Office is not just looking at your business, they are auditing your HR capabilities. Before approving your license, they must trust that your HR systems are robust enough to monitor sponsored workers, track attendance, and report changes within 10 working days. The Home Office rejects applications over minor paperwork errors, resulting in a 6-month cooling-off period. Partner with the corporate immigration experts at Conroy Baker. We handle the entire application process for you. Visit our website via the link below.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more UK immigration and legal advice. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.